Hi, I'm Professor Angela Rasmussen from the University of Utah Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. I'm going to go over a short today of the concept of nodes. So when you look at a circuit such as this, you want to identify first the elements that are in a circuit. Elements could be something such as the resistors, and then they could be a voltage source, they could be a current source, or they could be other elements that you are not familiar with yet. So for these, the next thing that you're going to do is to highlight with a color the connection of the wire in between two elements or in between several elements. So you're going to highlight everything until you hit an element. So all of the wire that's in between every element. So everything on a wire until you hit an element, color it again to another element, and so on. So you're going to color all of these wires, and each of these connections is called a node. You're then going to identify whether it's extraordinary. And to identify an extraordinary node, this is going to be a node that has 3 or more elements in it. So in this case, I'm going to call it an E, and we're going to look at all of those that have more than 3 or more elements in them. This would be an example of such a node. You have the current source and then 2 resistors off of it, and so those are 3 elements. Down here is an extraordinary node. Here would be an extraordinary node, and this one also has 3 elements. And then here you're going to see over here is an ordinary connection. And an ordinary node is when you have 2. So when you have 2 elements, you call that an ordinary node. So that will be that yellow one that is between the resistor of 1K and the voltage source. So this concludes this short. Thanks for watching.